Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card with the Beauty of the Deep bundle.
So here is my Beauty of the Deep card. Here is the Beauty of the Deep bundle. It has these lovely images and dies that you can use to cut them out, as well as some extra dies. So I'm starting with 2 pieces of 3 7/8 by 3 inch Let's Go Fishing Designer Series paper, and I'm going to adhere them to this 4 by 5 1/4 sheet of Pebbled Path cardstock. Now I'm going to add some of the Pebbled Path ribbon, so I'm just going to trim it to the size of the width of the card and then tape it on the back. Then I'm just going to add some dimensionals to the back to pop it up. Now I'm going to ink this long seaweed stamp in Pebbled Path, and I'm going to stamp it on this piece of Very Vanilla cardstock that I cut out with the largest circle from the Stylish Shapes dies. Then I'm going to use the Wonderful Thoughts bundle. It comes with dies that can cut out the sentiments, but for this one I'm just going to stamp it directly on the circle in Boho Blue. Now I'll just add dimensionals to the circle piece and to this other piece of coral I've already stamped and cut out, and the anchor. To finish the card, I'll use these Boho Blue in color dots, large, medium, and small, and here's my Beauty of the Deep card. Kit for free when you purchase this bundle or place a $50 order using my current host code. Just email me and let me know that you would like this kit.